Listen, every elite athlete has an outstanding off-season routine and pre-game routine. So trading is highly competitive. So what's your trading routine? Let's go deeper. Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about trading routines, and do you have one? So I'm going to tell you guys, if you ever watch Steph Curry in the pregame, his pregame routine is bar none. I mean, you see him work on his handle, he works on his foot movement, he works on passing, and then of course he gets some crazy shots up, and he always hits that nutty one from the corner, where he just throws it way up in the air and it just drops in. The guy's amazing. I'm sorry, he's amazing. He's Chef Curry for me. And so when he gets in the game and he drops somebody off and then step backs and hit a three in their face, you're really not surprised, right? Because you saw him practicing that in his pregame routine. And so you need practice in trading, and you also need a pre-trading day routine. So I'm gonna tell you, I've just recently created my own, and it's because of you guys. It's because you guys was costing me money. Yeah, you right there, you costing me money. You want to know why? Because this was before I had my routine, I would just wake up, right, grab the phone. I'm sure that many of you do the same thing. First thing you do is you open up the charts, right? You're looking at the charts. So what I would do is I would half sleep. I'm waking up, I'm looking at the charts, and I would see a trade about to come. So then I would be trying to crawl out the bed, run downstairs, get my computer up, get the screen recorder going, just so I can make sure I record this trade I'm about to take for you right there. And then, I'm still hot breath and everything. And many times I would miss my trade, or no. Many times I would miss my trade. And then because I missed that trade, and now I'm up and I'm at the computer, I would take something dumb and lose. So yes, you have cost me money, but I forgive you, because at the end of the day, it's my fault. It's my trading account. I'm responsible, and so I needed it. I needed a routine because that wasn't working out, and I don't know how many days that happened. Because I'm trying to record my trades for you. You know what I mean? So that's just how it was, when I could have just laid in the bed and be like, oh, this is a good setup, hit the button and went back. You know what I'm saying? Whatever happened. That's what I could have done. But I'd be trying to record these live trades so I could show them to you guys. So that wasn't working, So what I've done now is I put in a routine that works for me. And it is, I don't look at the charts at all. I don't look at them all until I've gotten up, got my pray on, pray that I'm gonna have a good day, pray that I see the markets, you know what I'm saying? Pray for any sins I've committed, that I don't even know about. You gotta get yourself right first in the morning, or meditate, or do whatever you do, But so now I changed that up, and so I get up, get my shower, brush my teeth, get completely dressed, because I'm going to work. So I had to change my routine. So now when I come down, by the time I get on my shower, have a little breakfast, come down to the computer, now I'm ready to go mentally. I'm mentally ready. I'm up. I'm more focused. Then I open the charts and see what's going on. So that's my new routine that I had to put in place, because I was losing money that other way, because every day was different. Every day was different, and it could be sporadic. But when you put a routine in place, and you know what you're gonna do each and every day, and you come down and you log in, and now you're focused, you're ready to go, it helps. It really helps. And so you're gonna have to develop a routine. I can't help you develop it. Your schedule is different than my schedule, your life is different than my life. So you have to figure that part out for yourself. But I would say that you need a routine, And then my other part is that after I'm done trading, I don't look at the charts no more. I don't open it up no more, because guess what I figured out? I was turning winning days into losing days because I would look at the chart again later. And hey man, I'm a trading addict. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm also stand up like an AA and call it like it is. I'm a trading addict. So I can't look at the charts once I'm done. I'm gonna take another trade. I am. If it's there, I'm gonna take it. And then if it doesn't work out, now I'm in the trap, right? Now I got to try to get that money back. It's just, you gotta have rules. You need routines. And so that's my thing. I get dressed, I'm ready, I pray, I'm logged on, I got the screen recorder going for you, so you can see the trade for the day. And then after that, I'm more focused, definitely more focused. And then when the day is done, the day is done. I'm not looking again until the next morning after my routine. So in trading, it's hard. It's a mental game. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be mentally ready to go. So you half sleep, that ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? You half drunk, that ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? There's just certain things you don't do when you're trying to trade. You know what I'm saying? And not being focused, not being all the way woke. It's something you shouldn't do. I've learned the hard way. I learned that the hard way myself. But so, hey, my spiel today is get a routine, stick to it, give it time. You know what I'm saying? To see if it's working, see if it improves your trading. Because I'm telling you, just opening up a chart and jumping in. I don't know how many times I just opened up a chart. I seen a setup and I jumped in and it lost. And then when I looked at the market context, you see what I'm saying? Just because you see a second entry doesn't mean it's a good trade. You have to look at the whole picture. You have to read the market cycle, know what the market is doing, and be expecting that second entry. Be expecting that higher low, because it's coming within the market cycle. That's why just opening up your phone or opening up the computer and just hurry up, jumping in, you're gonna win sometimes. Because if sometimes the setup's gonna win. But many times you won't, because you didn't even give yourself time to read the market cycle. You have to read the chart. Don't just open up your phone and jump in. These brokers being on the phone, it's a blessing. It could be a curse. It all depends on how you run your business and run your routine. So that's my spiel for today. Get a routine in place, stick to it, and see if it improves your trading. All right. So let's go into the work study lesson for today. Hey guys, how's it going? Today is October 30th, 2023. This will be our chart lesson for today. When I sat down in the market, it was, kind of in this area. So what I clearly saw was trend up, 1, 2 legs back, trend break, then retest to new high, market cycle, played out here. Then we came down strong, trend down, trend break, retest the new low, market cycle. So if we just start over here, what you kind of see is, say we're moving down here, beautiful trend down. You made this low right here. This is a first entry, push up, second entry short right here. You take that because you're really kind of expecting another leg of this distance, or at least, 2 legs back, because the dominant trend is up though. If you start way down here, that's a nice trend up. So, we were looking at the Euro USD and we were clearly trending up. So you're expecting, a retracement. This is easily 618 retracement, if not further. So you got the good retracement. So when this is developing right here, the second entry short is developing, you're definitely expecting, a drop, because this was a nice drop down. And you get it. That's a homer. 1, 2, 3. But now you got the new low. And so it was pretty weak. I mean, like I say, this is a pretty big drop. Trend break, another drop to a new low. So you're not quite sure that the drop is over yet. But then when you get this first entry, push up, second entry short right here, that fails. This candle, it didn't keep coming. And this candle, you could say failure, but when you get this one, you really know that second entry short failed. Now you got to start thinking we're going long, back with dominant trend. See how that works? Trend down, trend break, retest new low. That market cycle is over. You got a second entry short right here that failed. So like if you took this, I'm sorry, you lost. That's unfortunate, but I wouldn't have taken it because we already had the new low. So now I got to see what happened. Now I got to sit on my hands and see what's going to happen because this market cycle is played out. That's how the market cycle and the rule of two, they help you stay out of trades. I mean, because this is a good looking trade. This first entry, second entry short, look at the strength of this candle. I mean, broke higher, trapped everybody here, closed on this low. That's a good looking setup, honestly. But the market cycle had already played out. The rule of two had already played out. So you can't take this. If you do, you lost. So you got to wait and see what's going to happen. And then when you get this failure, you know you're good. Then you get the low. Push up all the way above the EMA. Higher low right here. This low is higher than this low. Then all you need is a good signal candle, which you get. It didn't close on its top, but it closed higher than this body to the left. Like it. You take this one right here. 1, 2, 3. It's a good win. Then you get the high. Now this one is congested. This is congested, but there's two ways to see this next setup. First entry, second entry long, or low, push, come back, higher low. Either way you saw that, whether you saw the second entry long or you saw the higher low, or you realize like, look, we got a nice leg up, trend break, retest. There's 3 different setups right here. There's 3 different reasons, maybe I should say, to take this, and you get the perfect signal candle. Closed, broke lower, trapped everybody going short. Nice body, closed on its top, closed higher than the one to the left. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. If it would have closed even above this stem, I would say it was perfect. Good close, and that's a homer. 1, 2, 3. Then you get to this top here. You got a first entry. It's another second entry long right here. And boom, you take that one. Now this one, 1, 2. This one, it looks like a loss. Again, I actually took this trade and I skated, and it gapped up at the finish, and so I won that one. Then you got a low in place. Push up, came back, higher low. This low is higher than this one. Now the EMA is kind of tight. You know, it's kind of congested. But on this higher low setup, the reason why I kind of like it is because, again, you've had this nice leg up. You can kind of tell that this is the center of the pattern here. The second entry actually did work. And then again, you get another huge candle that the very next candle goes against it. So it happened. That sequence just kept happening. This is a huge red candle down. Didn't matter. This is a huge red candle down. Didn't matter. This is a huge red candle down. Didn't matter. That was just a sequence. So, you know, it's because people kept trying to go short in a dominant uptrend. And this leg was over. The down market cycle was over. The retracement was over. So people were still just trying to go short here. They tried to go short here. They tried to go short here. They tried to go short here. Every time it failed. So this was one of those days that stay with trend and you would have been fine. But yeah, you get the low, push up, higher low. This signal candle is all right. It ain't great, but it did make it back above the EMA. Didn't close on its top, but it did make it back above the EMA. So, you know, you feeling gully. Shot down, close on the top. 1, 2, 3. That's a win. So that's what I saw today. For the time that I was trading, you know, the overall here is that we were in a nice uptrend, and this was a great 2 legs back. The retracement was over. So the whole time you got to be thinking we're coming back to test here to continue the uptrend. And if you thought like that, you probably won today. Okay. So this is a good time to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate all the comments and everything else that not everything else. I appreciate all the comments and the positive comments and the blessings that you guys send out towards my way every day. I really, really, really appreciate that. So Of course, I got a trade bonus for you. We'll look at a few trades today and do it again tomorrow. So my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we're looking at Euro USD. Oh, the pound is already moving, doing this thing. Okay. Looking at the USD right here, we get a nice signal candle up. We see we've had a trend up, trend break, new high, trend down, trend break, new low. Now we're starting to move back up again. I like it. Go time. Entering, we have a low, push up, higher low, strong signal candle, close on its top. Expecting that we are coming to new highs here and here to retest this uptrend. 3 minutes. We're also looking at this as a trend up, trend break, retest, hoping we get another leg of this distance here. Push up, closing your top. Don't show any rejection here yet. Closing your top, closing your top. Ooh, good close. Good close. Final candle. This could be a good rule of two trade. Trend up, trend break, retest new highs. By the way, it is October 30th, 2023. And that was a home run. So that'll do it for today. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And hey, watch one of these videos, learn some more price action. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.